Hi, guys. Alright. Cliven Bundy is being denied special legal counsel. A very specially well-known lawyer wants to defend Cliven Bundy, and the judge is not allowing it. This is absolutely true. Nevada's chief federal judge, Tuesday, for the second time, ladies and gentlemen, refused to let a nationally known conservative lawyer, Larry Klayman, join the Cliven Bundy's defense team. Can't make this shit up, folks. I cannot make this shit up. Ta-da! Can't make it up, can't make it up. In a two-page order, Gloria Navarro said she will not allow Klayman into the high-profile criminal case. Gloria Navarro, I believe, is the Nevada's chief federal judge, even though it's not stated. Alright, so this is further proof, ladies and gentlemen, of ethical disciplinary proceedings against basically him in Washington, D.C. And this has just been going on long enough, folks. Just release the old man and let it be. Klayman, the founder of Washington-based public interest group Judicial Watch and Freedom Watch, is known for his tenacious pursuit of litigation, mostly in support of wide-range conservative and libertarian issues. And basically, because he's well-known and well-respected and can probably get, Bundy off, what difference does it make, That's what I really hate about this shit, is that you go in there and you set the, I've never been to court or anything, but I've watched a few, during various classes and stuff. I've had to sit in front of various meetings of legal issues and this and that, real estate, this and that. And it really is just a butchered system. And a butchered system. I mean, this idea that this guy can go in there and speak to the judge and say, hey, judge, guess what? We need to let this guy go. And the judge is like, okay. And none of the other legal defenders can do that. I mean, I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. To me, it's just a crackpot system. And so this guy basically wants in on the Cliven Bundy team, and no doubt the whole Bundy defense team as well. But if they can get the father off, they can go get Ahmed and Ryan off in a little bit, so that's a little bit easier. And so he filed, Klayman, the lawyer, filed a petition to enter the Bundy case last month. Navarro denied his request, questioning his candidness with the judge about the outcome of the disciplinary proceedings. His troubles with Washington bar stemmed from 3 separate alleged conflicts of interest in litigation involving Judicial Watch after he left the organization as its legal counsel. Oh, I spelled counsel wrong. Oh well, screw it. According to the court documents. And basically, Navarro doesn't want to work with this guy because he knows that, or she knows that he's going to basically get him off. And basically, the judge is ruling it'll be legally challenged on an expedited basis, he said. It violates the Cliven Bundy's 6th Amendment constitutional right to counsel and forced Cliven to forfeit his right to a speedy trial. So this is just outrageous here, folks. I mean, they're basically holding him as a political prisoner right now. I mean, at this point, he's literally being held as a political prisoner of Washington, D.C. Right then and there, the case should be tossed out. There shouldn't be any reason to keep it open. Does anyone deny it? No, of course not. They don't want him out. They know exactly what's going to happen if he goes out. He's going to rally the troops. And what's going to happen when he rallies the troops? Well, probably another standoff or another, protest of some kind. So that's what he's waiting for. So I did have it right. All right. So I apologize, folks. I'm trying to get these images and everything as I can, but the internet was wrong in how to spell counsel, because you can spell it with a U, without a U, O-L-E, or obviously like city council. And since I grew up pretty much speaking like 5 or 6 different languages, at least brokenly, my concept of English grammar in and of itself is null and void. Even though I did very well in school, having English being my probably only major language I spoke for the majority of the time I was in school. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, they're saying that Bundy's 69 and he's still in federal custody, facing criminal charges stemming from April 12, 2014, armed standoff with law enforcement in the ranch at Bunkerville. And basically, he is represented by Las Vegas attorney Joel Hansen, who is active in ultra-conservative Independent American Party of Nevada. And basically, they're not getting any results. When are they going to learn that they need to switch judges? Well, it's not that easy, of course. But in another development, Tuesday, U.S. Magistrate Judge Peggy Lean allowed one of the Bundy sons, Ryan Bundy, to represent himself in a case with a standby attorney. That's exactly what I would do. Honestly, I want to represent myself. I'd go in there and say, look, this is the jurisprudence, this is the evidence in retrospect, this is the law code as it's written, this is what happened, via how I'm going to tell you. And they're still going to hold you in 2-3 years regardless, so that's the way it is, folks. They don't want people on the outside once you're in. They don't want to go, oh, by the way, here. So, anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, and looks like Cliven might be getting this lawyer at some point or another. They just got to get a judge with some freaking sense. But you and I both know they don't want that guy out anytime soon. They don't want him out till he's at least 72, 73-ish. At least till a year or two of good pills and, more government kicks in.